people, do-it-yourselfers and homesteaders. I had a previous video of putting in a propane stove into my treehouse that I rent out, and I focus more on putting the stove into the wall and less into hooking it up. And so this video goes back to explain more about the gas hookup and what I did there. Okay, here we go. So we got some parts here. We got some hose, 12 feet of propane hose. Got an end. Got an old regulator that I got off, salvaged off a trailer. Got an end here, fitting. It's going to fit on the regulator here. Street end, and then the compression end for the gas line. Putting on some sealer. It's a thread sealer, especially for propane gas. Being careful not to get it where it'll get sucked into the gas line. Oh! Exactly what I didn't want to do is drop it into the dirt. Okay. Pause. Okay. I cleaned it up. This time, I'm trying not to drop it. Gotta laugh at your mistakes. They happen all the time. So, that's the best way to deal with it. Just laugh at them. Okay. Screw that on. Gas threads are usually opposite, but street threads are the correct way. Rightsy-tightsy, leftsy-loosey. Even if it's a gas fitting with a street thread, it's the normal way. But this other end will be the other way. All right, here we go. That's what my father always says. Here we go, here we go. He doesn't do anything, but I got it from him. Here we go. Kind of spurs you on. So we're hooking up this is the line from the gas fireplace upstairs. I drilled a hole through the floor and the line coming down. And we're hooking onto it. We're hooking onto it with the rubber extension hose here. Tighten it up. Gotta bring the tank up now. Tank's way down there. Call this the Trail of Tears. You can't really tell in the video, but this is a bit of a slope. And the entire treehouse, all the wood for a treehouse. And if you don't know how much wood is in a treehouse, build one sometime, you'll see. Tons of wood, tons. Posts, everything. All had to come up from the little roadway there. I had to carry it up, drag it up. Some of it was winched up. The heavier stuff. So it's a lot of work. Trail of Tears. That's what me and the kid that was helping me move stuff nicknamed it. Here we go. See if I still got it in me. I still got it. Now we need a stone to put the tank on for a base. One more trip on the Trail of Tears. Hand truck tire went a little flat in between the two loads. That made it extra fun. I picked the stone with little thickness on this end, a little wider on this end than it is on this end, because I got a slope here. So I used that to my advantage, and the top's nice and flat. Got my level, got my hammer claw, so I can dig it in, and we'll set this right in here. There's a bit of a trap here. See, if I put a potato chip right here, somebody might try to grab that and get clonked. we're not falling for it this time. Ow! Ow! There it is. Got it level, nice and set in the ground. We can take the tank and we'll stand it up on there. Now we hook up the regulator, attach it to the tree, attach the hose we connected, and then attach this to the pipe, the tank. This is the tank from above, the black line, and then we've got the pipe, the exhaust pipe, and I bent it around a little bit so that water won't go inside of it, and I also put some mesh in there to keep chipmunks and stuff out. And I'm gonna spray paint it with that high heat black paint that I used on the inside. I sprayed it lightly so that it'll disappear. It'll disappear better. It won't look like a solid black element there. Okay, let's do the final hookup and see if we can get it to go. Well, there it is. It's working. I'll let it go for a while and see how warm it gets. See if I need to put some metal around the outside of it or anything like that on the wood. But otherwise, it looks like it was successful. Took a little while to get it to start, but I think that was just gas having to go through the line. I decided to put some stone around it, just to be on the safe side.